I'm Sarah, film and television editor, but I also have a side baking business called Lucky Treats. Boop, 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 boop. It's springtime, so I decided to make a carrot cheesecake. Combining carrot cake and cheesecake kind of sounds perfect. Let's start baking. Set oven to 350. Grease a 9-inch Springform pan. Combine graham crackers, sugar, salt, and butter. Mixy mix, 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 mixy mix, mix, mooksy mix. Press crumb mixture firmly into bottom of pan. Bake until golden brown and the edges are firm, about 15 minutes. Grate 3 medium carrots. Grate those carrots, grate those carrots, grate those carrots. Melt butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Add sugar and carrots. Stir often until carrots are soft, about 3 to 4 minutes. Take off the heat and let carrots cool. Beat together cream cheese and sugar until fluffy. Make it light and fluffy, make it light and fluffy. Add 4 eggs, one at a time. Boop. 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 Mix, 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 boop, boop, boop. Add nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger, salt, vanilla, and carrots. Mix until incorporated. Pour into crust. Reduce oven to 325. Fill pan in oven with boiling water. Adding boiling water when you bake your cheesecake should help with cracks. Bake cheesecake until set but slightly wobbly in the center, about 80 to 90 minutes. Make marzipan carrots. Take a piece of marzipan and dye orange. Then dye a second ball of marzipan green. Shape into orange balls. Then slowly shape into carrots. Add green stem to each marzipan carrot. I use a knife to add little slits to the carrots. Decorate the cheesecake with marzipan carrots just before serving. Oops, looks like I got some cracks. Oh well. Let cool in refrigerator uncovered for at least 6 hours. Carrot cake is done. Let me show you how good it tastes. It is so delicious, so creamy, so tasty. And that hint of carrot, I highly recommend. Feel free to follow me at lucky.treats. Happy baking and carrot cheesecake eating.